How to refill a Zippo lighter. Here are the steps to refill a Zippo lighter. Materials needed: Zippo lighter fluid, funnel, optional. Steps: 1. Unscrew the bottom of the Zippo lighter. This will reveal the inside chamber that holds the lighter fluid. 2. If needed, gently wipe out any old fluid residue inside the lighter with a clean cloth. Make sure the inside is dry. 3. Use the provided funnel if your lighter fluid bottle doesn't have a narrow pouring spout. Carefully pour the lighter fluid into the chamber, filling it about 3/4 full. Don't overfill. 4. Wait 2 to 3 minutes for any spilled fluid to evaporate before screwing the bottom portion back on. This prevents accidental ignition. 5. Tightly screw the bottom portion back onto the lighter. You should hear a slight click when properly fastened. 6. Flip the top open and ignite the wick, making sure the lighter is functioning properly. Add a little more fluid if needed. 7. Let the wick soak up the lighter fluid for 5 to 10 minutes before using to allow optimum performance. 8. Make sure to store extra lighter fuel safely in cool, dry place. Discard empty bottles properly. Always use caution when handling lighter fluid. Refill in a well-ventilated area away from any sparks or open flames. Follow these steps and your Zippo will light up like new.